Going.
Hi, Alan. My name is Alan Lanklos. I'm going to be doing a short video on installing our new Aspen approved steel bar pulls for the cabinet doors. So first, I was able to purchase 2 jigs at your neighborhood Lowe's. One for the doors, which are reversible, and one for the cabinet door fronts. So we kind of started out by marking our pattern we needed for the measurements for the screw holes. They have pre-approved settings. You just basically want to use 96 millimeter screw holes. I'm going to start out by basically going through and just marking all our holes and get ready to drill for the cabinet doors. So we simply just put it on there. We know which pattern holes we use. I mark it with a black Sharpie. I flip it over, do the other side, and I'll proceed doing all my top doors. Very simple, very quick. So now that we've done that, you're going to need a 11/64 drill bit, which is perfect for the screw holes. We start out by simply just finding the center, doing a pilot hole, and just drilling through. We can go ahead and do all the doors. Now that we've done that, we'll go ahead and install the actual bar pulls. Very simple, goes on very quickly. We'll do all of them real quick. As you can see, I'm fighting putting the screws in with the gloves on, but I'm getting it done. There you have it. All the upper doors are installed, and so now we're going to move forward to the drawer fronts. So I'll clear my space out a little bit, and we'll mark those fronts out. Get our drawers in place. Be sure to protect your countertop space if you're working there. So now we're going to move forward to the drawer front jig. Basically, it's just like the cabinet door jig. You find your screw holes, mark them with a Sharpie marker so you always know which ones to use. You have to simply measure the center of the total length of the door. So what we have is 14.5, so we're going to mark it right in the center at 7.25. 7.25. Then we take the jig and simply, I mark the holes with my Sharpie. Then we drill. Perfect. So now we will install the pulls. While I'm here, I'll go ahead and finish installing the two bottom drawers with my cabinet marker. Drill those out.